Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are replacing our old surge protector with this beefy, bulky, high-powered surge protector. So right away we can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ports. You can see the wire is thick, so it's thick gauge wire. It can handle a lot of voltage. You got an on-off switch right here. You also can mount it from the side, so that makes it nice if you want to mount it on a wall. It is a metal frame, so the whole thing is metal. Alright, let's test it out. So we're getting rid of this cheap old one. It's time for this thing to say goodbye. Alright, so we got our surge protector lined up here. Looks great, nice, hidden, sleek. Alright, so it's working great. Absolutely love it.